Hi everyone, I'm Ariza Malaka from grade 11 Jeremiah, and this is my PCA presentation in stat number 2. You must state your conclusion concerning the claim after you have performed the statistical analysis and determined whether to reject or not to reject the null hypothesis. You must remember which hypothesis was the assertion in order to get the correct language. If the claim was the null, your conclusion will be whether there was enough evidence to reject it. Remember that we'll never be able to show the null is false, but failing to reject it is the next best thing. As a result, saying accept the null is incorrect. If the claim represents an alternative hypothesis, you can decide whether there was enough evidence to prove the alternative hypothesis. For example, if the claim was the alternative that the mean score on a test was greater than 85, and your decision was to reject the null, then you could conclude at the 5% significance level there is sufficient evidence to support the claim that the mean score on the test was greater than 85. The reason you should include the significance level is the decision, and thus the conclusion could be different if the significance level was not 5%. If you are curious why we say fail to reject the null instead of accept the null, here is the question for you. What's the essence of drawing conclusion?
To link between the variables and valid or reasonable, and validity involves of proper sample processes, appropriate statistical tests, and trustworthy measuring procedures.
Next. Do you find drawing conclusion hard or easy? Why or why not?
For me, it is a little bit hard because sometimes I don't listen to the explanation and it is really hard topic.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.